The Kushanas. The Kushanas belonged to the Yuezhi tribe of Chinese Turkestan. They occupied the northwestern part of India after defeating Bactrians, Parthians, and Sakas. The Kushana rule is particularly significant because under them civilizations of the Mediterranean world, Western Asia, Central Asia, China, and India merged together. Kanishka was the most important ruler of the Kushana dynasty. His period is historically significant for general cultural development in northern India as well as the intermingling of people from different geographical regions. The Kushana Empire at its peak extended to Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh and to Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. The first capital of Kanishka was at Purushapura near modern Peshawar. He erected a monastery and a huge stupa. Mathura appears to have been the second capital. Kanishka made a great effort to popularize Buddhism. He sponsored the Fourth Buddhist Council and helped to spread Buddhism to Central Asia and China. Ashvaghosha, a poet in his court, wrote a Buddha Charita, a biography of Buddha. His successors continued to rule till about AD 230, but Kushana power gradually declined and they were replaced by the Sasanians of Iran. Kushana influence on India. Under Kanishka, another school of art known as Mathura School of Art flourished at Mathura. It also created images of Buddha and Bodhisattvas like the Gandhara school in red sandstone. The images produced here were purely Indian in outlook and spirit. Coins. Earlier, the Indian rulers did not get their image appear on the coin. These coins depicted only symbols. It was the Kushana rulers who popularized this idea, which remained in use for another 2000 years. The Kushana coinage was copied not only by later Indian dynasties like Guptas, but also by neighboring kings like Sasanians. They also minted their coins largely in gold. Trade. Kushanas were instrumental in encouraging India's trade with Central Asia and came to control the most important trade route, namely the Silk Route.